This is an Marsden Ball which is used in many varieties of vision therapy. Here 4-inch diameter of hollow rubber ball tangled from a ceiling on a string attached to an eye hook. Depends on the exercise, the ball may have letters, colors, numbers and combination of these three. It is used in binocular vision coordination, which is difficulty in seeing both eyes together. And also it is used as a therapy for poor eye-hand coordination and in amblyopia, and it is used in poor visual tracking and poor visual spacing skills, and also it is used in traumatic brain injury, and it is used in autism spectrum disorders, and it is used in improvement of sports vision performances.